guys, it's Diane Mary, and I'm doing my follow-up of the K-18 peptide hair repairing mask. I said in my initial first use video that I was going to come back after 5 consecutive uses, as the brand instructed you to use it 5 times to begin with, to give my thoughts. Here I am, and I'm blown away. This is one of the best hair products I have ever used. Again, if you don't know me, my name is Diane. I do my videos once and through, no edits, no redos. Far from a perfect human being. My hair is not perfect either. Don't claim for it to be, so please be nice. Anyway, this stuff. First, this is today's wash day hair. The curls are, wow, like, it's insane. I'm having such a great hair day, so I had to hop on here, and I'm like, oh, you know what, today's the day to do it. So, this is the back. Spirally, curly. Now, my husband did trim my hair on a Sunday. Today is now Thursday because I'd like to trim by the moon. There's like different moon phases to do different things, and my hair really needed a trim. So of course the trim is going to help it like look a little healthier as well. But this mask, I feel like every time I use this, my hair is just getting better and better. I mean, can you guys see the shine? The lack of frizz. I feel like it's not even my hair on my head. The texture just feels so different. I love how it's time saving, how I don't have to use an additional mask. I use this as a leave-in, wait the 4 minutes, which I'm always goes by fast because I'm doing skincare and other stuff anyway, and I just use my regular styling products on top once those 4 minutes or so have set. On average, I think I use about 6 pumps. Yeah, I do one on the, my front's the most damaged, so I do 1 pump here, 1 pump here, 1, 2, the bottom left, bottom right, top, and that's, is that 5 or 6? Maybe I do one more, I forget, but it seems to be lasting, and I can't say enough good things. It is a bond building treatment, and I've had people ask me how does it compare to other bond building treatments, and after one use of this, I said, you know what, that's unfair to compare something, but I was using another very popular bond building treatment for years and years that I thought I liked, thought it was great, but I honestly think this knocks it out of the park. I do believe the K-18 mask is better than any other bond building treatments out there at this time, from what I've tried in my own opinion. It's quicker to use, and the results, I feel the results are just so noticeable since my hair was damaged, and I'm going to continue using it. As I said, I've been using it every consecutive wash as my leave-in for the past 5 washes. I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week because they said when you start off and your hair is damaged to do so, and then after that it says I think you can maintain it by using it once a week or so. So now I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to use it once a week, and the times I don't use this, I'm going to use the Hot Clinic mask, which was my favorite leave-in before this. That is also an amazing mask and works really well. But that isn't like the bond building the way that this has that special patented peptide in it. So do I recommend K-18 mask? Guys, I mean, I think my hair just speaks for itself right now, truly. You can go back and watch my first video, I'll link it below if you didn't see the difference. Once I use it once a week for a month or 2 months, I'm going to hop on and do a 3rd video about like still using with, you know, washing some days with it or some days without it, I can think, and yeah, that's it. So, good stuff, great stuff. If you want hair repair, give this a go. New packaging now, by the way, this is old packaging. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.